Today I am reviewing Kenmore 81214-200 Series Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, efficient, and pet-friendly vacuum cleaner that won't weigh you down, the Kenmore 81214-200 Series Bagged Canister Vacuum might just be the perfect addition to your home. Designed with both power and convenience in mind, this vacuum makes cleaning a breeze across a variety of surfaces, from hard floors and carpets to upholstery and even car interiors. Let's start with its cleaning power. The Kenmore 200 series is equipped with a two-motor system, delivering strong and consistent suction across all types of flooring. Whether you have thick carpets that trap dust and pet hair or bare floors that require a gentle touch, this vacuum adapts effortlessly. With 4 adjustable height settings, you can fine-tune the airflow for optimal cleaning efficiency, making every sweep count. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its HEPA filtration system. For households with pets or allergy sufferers, this is a game changer. The enhanced HEPA filter captures up to 99.97% of dust, dander, and debris, ensuring that allergens stay locked inside the vacuum instead of circulating in your home. This means cleaner floors and cleaner air, which is especially important for families with children or pets. Despite its powerful performance, the Kenmore 81214 is surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, weighing less than 23 pounds. You can glide it from room to room without feeling fatigued, and the built-in automatic cord rewind keeps your space tidy and prevents tripping hazards. Speaking of reach, the vacuum comes with a 9-foot hose and a 24-foot retractable cord, giving you plenty of flexibility to clean even the largest rooms without having to constantly unplug and move the unit. In addition to its excellent suction and filtration, this vacuum comes with 3 essential attachments: a dusting brush, a crevice tool, and a bare floor tool. These attachments make it incredibly versatile, allowing you to switch seamlessly between floors, corners, and delicate surfaces. Whether you're tackling pet hair on furniture or crumbs in tight spaces, these tools ensure no mess is left behind. The design is also very user-friendly. The canister is compact, making storage easy, while the handle and wheels allow smooth movement across different surfaces. The vacuum's noise level of 78 decibels is reasonable for a powerful machine, providing strong cleaning without being overwhelmingly loud. Maintenance is straightforward as well. Kenmore recommends using compatible HEPA bags and ensuring they are replaced regularly to prevent strain on the motor. With proper care, this vacuum can be a long-lasting cleaning companion. Overall, the Kenmore 81214-200 series pet-friendly bagged canister vacuum delivers on every front: powerful cleaning, HEPA filtration, versatility, and ease of use. For pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone looking for a dependable vacuum that can handle every surface in your home, this model is a smart choice. It's a practical, efficient, and reliable solution to keep your home spotless, all while making the cleaning process as effortless as possible. In short, if you want a lightweight, pet-friendly, and powerful vacuum that covers every corner of your home, the Kenmore 81214 is definitely worth considering.